Hello everyone. This is what we're going to create today. First, we're going to create the monogram style logo like this in Illustrator. It's pretty simple. And then we're going to apply 3D and extrude tools in Illustrator. So just a regular extrude, inflate, and the convex. So three different styles. And we're going to change the color. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and then hit the like button and set the alarm for my latest video. That helps me a lot. And let's get started. Okay, so I opened a new Adobe Illustrator document, the letter size and the landscape orientation. So first, set your fill color to nothing and then just a black stroke color. And now let me choose my line tool. I'm gonna set my stroke weight to the finest line. Then let me draw one horizontal line just like that. And then I'm gonna have 7 more copies so we can have the 8 total. So the one is selected. Hold down the option, keep pressing your mouse button and the shift key, and let me make a copy just like that. So 2. And I will duplicate it by using the keycap Command D. So hold down the Command and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines. Select all and group them. Command G. Okay. Then choose your rotate tool. Double click your rotate tool in your toolbox directly and rotate 60 degree and copy. Okay, now choose reflect tool, double click your reflect and vertical axis and copy. Okay, so now let me zoom in a little bit like this. Okay, let me choose the first group I created, the horizontal one. So if I move it, excuse me, move up to here. Okay, as you can see, we have just a regular triangle. If you're looking for the inverted triangle, then place it down here. So we have an inverted triangle here. See? Okay, so I'm going back to here. Okay, now let me select all. I'm going to create that triangular the symbol I showed you at the very beginning. So let me choose my shape builder and just link all together this line. I'm going to switch my fill color to black. And here. And more. Like this. And this. Okay. So it looks like maybe A shape or a tree or something like that. Okay. Then object, I'm going to ungroup them. Let me zoom out. Let me pull this over here. Select all the other unnecessary lines. So my basic symbol is completed. Okay. And then you don't have to, but this is my kind of a routine. Once I have create this kind of like a monogram style logo, there are some unnecessary anchor points. We can leave it, but I always kind of simpler is better, so I will get rid of them. Okay, so now it is clean. Okay, so first let me make a copy of this here, and I'm going to change my fill color black and no stroke color, and then let me change my fill color from black to light gray because we're going to apply there some 3D tool, and then it works better with the lighter color. Go to our effect menu and 3D and materials, extrude and bevel. Okay, and then let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so in extrude You can rotate it, you can change the angle like that. You can control the other depth, thicker, thinner. Okay. And also usually, if you scroll this down, I change the perspective because the by default the illustrators at this 3D tool, it doesn't create the other vanishing point, and that means it doesn't look very realistic. So let me apply some perspective. See, it creates some vanishing point. Okay, I think that looks better. Okay, so I have one. I'm gonna make two more copies of this. 1, 2, and 3. And let's see. So this is just a regular extrude, the three-dimensional looking. And this one, let's change something in this 3D and materials panel. So this is a kind of a new feature from the Adobe Illustrator 2022. So first, in Object, here, I apply the extrude, as you see. And then we change this perspective. And let me change the bevel option. Try that. You can have, there are a lot of different ways. Let me try the round. See that? It is more rounded. It's better. Okay. And then you can control this one here too. Smoother. And then I'm going to apply me another one, inflate. See? So like that you're blowing the balloon. Okay. So I'm done with that. The third one, I'm gonna change the my beveled option again. This time let me try the convex. You can have wider, narrower, higher, lower, like that. Okay. Then now, let me go back to the first one. I'm gonna change the materials. So if you go there, you can choose the different textures. Let me try the same texture for all three. These three. Kind of marbling texture. See the difference? And then, in each texture, scroll down. You can change the size of the texture. See? Just like that. Okay. So I'm going back to 100, the default setting. And then I'm going to leave my first one. Just like that. From my second one, let me just change the color. I can use it, but if you scroll this down, you will see the color options. So my first one, so this is a kind of blue tone thing. So clicking this color palette, I'm going to change it to kind of the warmer color. So I'm going to start from the light yellow. And my secondary color, yellow. See that? And the third one, more orange, like that. And the last one, I'm going to choose red. So it is more like a reddish color. Now third one, let me do the same thing, this time maybe green. Choose very light green. And the second, kind of a lime green, maybe a little darker. See? And the third one, more green. And the last one, really dark green. Yep. So we have these three. Okay. So this the 3D and extrude tool, the feature of the Illustrator. It is really easy to use, and the effect is pretty cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.